Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and redeem your Sephora gift cards. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and do share this video with your friends and family who also want to do the same and can do accordingly. And once you're done, then you will simply go to your mobile's phone browser, go to search bar, type in sephora.com right there. Then you will simply be able to write this kind of interface. Let's wait till it gets loaded. As you can see, once you land in there, what you will do is simply tap on your profile icon given right there. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and then you will scroll down and find this option called account settings. Tap on it, and you will scroll down again and find this option called payments and credits. Simply go ahead, tap on that option given. So yeah, once it gets loaded, you will simply be able to find this kind of interface, right? So up here below you can see gift cards. Simply go ahead, check your cards balance over here, adding the card number and the pin of it. Then you can go back to your home of Sephora. So yes, once you're in again your home page, simply choose a product, go to checkout option. With the payment methods, you will again add in your password. So as you can see, you will simply be able to come to this page where you can simply add in your shipping address, and then you will have a save and continue. And finally you will see this payment method, right? Tap on this edit option given, and now you can see you have many options including add gift card right there. If you tap on this down arrow icon right there, you can simply add in your gift card's number, add in the pin, add apply, tap on save and continue, and your payment will be completed with your gift card. So that's how you can simply go ahead and redeem your gift card there in Sephora. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.